Should I compare full coverage rates at renewal time? Have you ever wondered if comparing full coverage auto insurance rates at renewal time is worth your while? Let's break this down together. It is indeed a smart move to compare rates when your policy is up for renewal. Insurance premiums can fluctuate for several reasons. Changes in your driving record, updates in your location, and shifts in the insurance market can all impact your rates. Full coverage auto insurance usually includes liability coverage, collision coverage, and comprehensive coverage. Liability coverage protects you if you cause an accident. Collision coverage pays for damage to your vehicle in an accident. Comprehensive coverage takes care of non-collision-related damage, like theft or natural disasters. Because full coverage is more extensive, it typically costs more than basic coverage options. When your policy renews, your current insurer might increase your premium. This could be due to recent claims, changes in risk factors, or adjustments in their pricing strategy. However, other insurance companies may offer more competitive rates for the same level of coverage. This is why shopping around is so important. By comparing quotes from different insurers, you might discover better deals or discounts that you are not receiving with your current policy. It's also a great time to reassess your coverage needs. For example, if your vehicle has lost value, you might want to adjust your collision or comprehensive coverage limits to save money. Additionally, some insurers provide better discounts for bundling multiple policies or for having a clean driving record. This could lead to significant savings without sacrificing the protection you need. In short, comparing full coverage rates at renewal time is a practical way to manage your car insurance costs. It helps ensure that you are getting the best coverage for your needs while avoiding overpaying. So, take the time to shop around and make sure you are getting the best deal possible. Your wallet will thank you.